Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating Willett TV firmware to version 2.1.0 or later. This update enables the built-in Miracast stack and stability improvements for screen mirroring. Next, open Settings, then choose Network and Screen Sharing to enable Miracast. Confirm the TV shows a Miracast-ready screen with a 4-digit PIN. Place the TV within 3.5 meters of your phone or laptop to reduce signal interruptions and improve latency. On your phone or laptop, open the system's screen mirroring or cast menu. Wait for Willett TV to appear in the device list and select it to start pairing. When the TV shows a 4-digit PIN, promptly enter that PIN on your device to authenticate. Prefer connecting both devices to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for higher quality and lower interference. If the device fails to connect, restart the TV and retry the steps in this order. After a successful connection, adjust TV display settings to match your device resolution. If the mirror drops, reboot both devices and reconnect within 60 seconds to speed recovery. Disable mobile data and close heavy background apps on your phone or laptop to reduce streaming lag and CPU load. If problems persist, return to screen sharing settings on the TV and reset Miracast, then re-enable and repair devices. Follow these steps, and the Willett TV Miracast link will be stable for typical media and presentations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.